right? Monday, June 23rd. And this is how we are able to actually capitalize from gold, taking 3 trades from gold, in which each of them give us up to like 350 pips, around 250 pips, and the likes. So let's get to the breakdown, how I'm able to carry those trades, and also how I'm able to also call those beautiful trades out with my community. So let's get to it. So first of all, this is my Telegram, right? I actually called the trade out for you to see. So it was June 23rd. This was the first trade that we called out for them, right? So after the GBPUSD, we called this trade. We asked them to buy gold at 3354.8 and SL was 3351, so which was around 35 pip stop loss. So, and also our major TP level was 3341. So from there, this is how we are able to capitalize on the trade. If you look at what we have been having, downtrend, lower high, lower lows. So you have to analyze the trend: lower high, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So as the market created this uptrend bullish, then we have this level of demand, right? Very, very beautiful one, and also have a level of inefficiency. So that was where I know that, okay, beautiful, this is where we are going to get in on the trade. So this is how we're able to carry the trade. So let me use the replay button so that we can carry the trade on a real time, how we are able to capitalize from those beautiful trades. So first of all, this was where the market was kind of approaching that zone, right? As we have the market, let me slow it down. So the market approaches zone here, then immediately I scaled down to my 5-minute time frame where we took the entry execution from. So on the 5-minute time frame, so when the market actually break to the upside, then I have that beautiful push all the way to the upside from there. Then boom, as the market during during London session, once the market already gave me this fake BOS from here, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high, we have a break of structure, then this is an inducement to fill this level of inefficiency that is here. Then beautiful, this was where I was able to call the trade out for them. A very, very beautiful setup from there, again from them. So I got out the trade, then boom, we are able to capitalize from that trade. Then as gold was pushing up all the way to the upside, I also have another entry that I also called out for them as well. I think it was on this retest. Yeah, it was here on this retest, and it was around 1040, right? If you look at the other second call that I also called out for them, this was it here. This was still the first call before I called out the second call for them. So this was actually the second call. I said I'm taking second entry now at 3364, SL 3361. They should open their TP and ask them to go easy on it. So beautiful. This was how it is from here. It was because of gold coming back to retest this level of demand, right? Rally base, rally demand level. Then I called out the trade for them again, a very, very beautiful trade again from there. Then we took our trade from there. Then our stop loss was way below this area. Then we target that high again. So then beautiful, then we took that trade from there. Then gold actually plays well for us without delaying. Gold actually did a very, very beautiful job from there. Then we strike that up. So as gold strike that up, then we took all our TP, everything smacked well for us. Then if you also look at gold, we also left a level of this demand and this low here. So that was also another level that we're also looking at, that okay, if gold should come back to that level of demand, we're going to be looking to take a trade from there as well at the end of the day. Then boom, beautiful, gold crashed all the way to the downside. This was it here. As gold approached this level, then if you look at it, I also tell them again, this was a very, very beautiful trade. Like you see the way we actually catch everything. So this was the third trade that we took. It was around 207 during New York session, right? So I asked them to buy gold now again. Let's test gold again, buy gold now again around 3362.6, SL as lot 3359. So very beautiful trade, a very good textbook setup. Then as gold approached that area, then we scaled down to the same entry time frame again, 5-minute time frame entry. Then boom, as I saw this level from there, that was where I called the trade out for them again. So I actually make use of a candlestick confirmation to take that trade from there. They took the trade from here. Then our stop loss was very, 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 very tight stop loss. Then we targeted the high again. Then boom, gold actually give us a very, very beautiful trade. This was how we are able to rack up over 350 pips on the first entry, then the second entry as well, then the third entry. Then the question was, where are we targeting now? If you look at where we are actually targeting on those trades that we actually took, you see that our target was actually this high, right? Because that we know that this high is a very, very good level, which is a level of a transactional liquidity that once market take it out, we're going to have a very strong reversal to the downside. Then at the end of the day, that high remain our prime TP level. Then boom, 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 gold smash all the way to the upside. You see, that was how we are able to capitalize from this beautiful trade. First trade, second trade, third trade. So if you like something like this, and also you want more from us, make sure you subscribe to the like button, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel, smash the like button, share the video to your loved ones. So this is where we are able to catch it, and this was where I showed them everything that we catch 3/3 on trade today. So very, very beautiful trade, very, very pretty one, very good setup, and also very good trade for us. So if you like something like this, make sure you subscribe and like for more.